Alright guys, really enjoying. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, let's continue to talk about really exciting projects about testing and sandbox. So as you can see, I'm like casting my real physical device to the screen so you guys can see what's going on, and I made this premium screen. Okay, so just to just give users some of the thing that they can enjoy when they subscribe to. It's not a subscription; it's like an in-app purchase, one-time purchase. Okay, and right now we can upgrade to premium. Okay, and you are required to actually enter a Apple account. So if you enter your account, they won't work because this is a the app hasn't been reviewed yet, so there's no way that you can test it on your actual Apple account. So you're going to use some sort of a testing account to do that. And by the way, I already changed this layout. Okay, I got a simple maker layout that's sort of a reference the like the Premium Maker. And if you don't know what Premium Maker looks like, it's kind of like this. Let me test it. Let me quickly run that in the simulator, because right now the physical device is blocked out by the paywall, and it's intentionally well, what I'm talking. I intentionally doing this because I want you guys to I want to show you guys how to use Sandbox to actually test it. Okay, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I created a lot of things. Okay, so yeah, I think it's here. Yeah, SE version. This is the SE version. Yeah, let me show you on the SE version, but also on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So the biggest iPhone and smallest right now. Okay, you can test it. The design is pretty good because it can give you like a uniform experience. Even though our right side is a little bit spacious. But at premium, you got a ton of things going on. Still, it's not crowded, even at this really small version. Okay, still you can get everything working. Okay, and in order to save a little bit RAM, I'm going to get rid of all this simulator, and yeah, let's get rid of all that. And I'm casting the physical device to the screen, and let's test it. Test in-app purchase. And by the way, this video is sponsored by me. Okay, I did not make any money by making all these videos, at least from YouTube. Okay, and I make really small amounts on Patreon. So the best way to support me and make this channel continue is to support me by joining Patreon. You can download all the source code and get more exclusive content. And also, I got another channel called Learn Digital Art, where I share how I made the design of icons and made all this asset in my game and all that. It's great fun, and you're more than welcome to check it out. So, let's go back here. Right now, premium blockout, and don't forget, you got this icon here, where you can upgrade to premium, or you can restore purchase. Either button right now will not work. Either button will work. Either button will. Yeah, how to say that? I don't know how to say that in English. Is that not like these two buttons won't work right now? Okay, if you click it, you are required to sign into Apple account. And by the way, there is a section where you can actually input accounts in your developer settings. Let me show you. Really simple. You go to your setting, you search for developer, and scroll all the way down. You can see one thing here. Sandbox Apple accounts here. Sandbox Apple accounts. Right now, do not have any account signed in. That's the reason it will get a pop-up window say, hey, you need to enter some account. Okay. How to create a Sandbox account? Really simple. Go to App Store Connect. Okay, right now I'm already at the App Store Connect, and as you guys can see, you click the user and access here, and click Sandbox. I already create a test account, but I want to show you how it's done, so we're going to start from scratch. Click this, and you enter the first name and last name. I'm going to say William jamming, something like that. Email, I'm going to say something. Do not use the email account that like you use. Okay, it's like so. For example, you already got Apple account. You do not Apple ID. You do not want to use that. You want to make something up. Okay, so I'm going to say William jamming. So cool. Yeah, I know it's done. So cool 1 2 3. Okay, William jamming so cool 1 2 3 at gmail.com. Okay, and password in the capitalize, so William jamming so cool 1 2 3. Okay, maybe add a exclamation mark. Too simple. Too simple. This is too simple. Okay, let me do something really weird. So maybe let's see, William. Yeah, William. Okay, I'm going to capitalize William and JM capitalize. So call 1 2 3. Okay, I can do that. William JM so call 1 2 3. Okay. Yeah, I passed the test. That's good. And then I can choose a country. Let me choose United States just for testing purpose. United Kingdom or United States. Let me choose United States and click create. Okay. So I already got this account. So there, like right now, you got like two ways of doing things. One is to log in the test account. Okay. Let's log in at the developer section so you guys can see what's going on here. And sorry about that, I just instantly forgot about the password I setting. So I created another password that says 1 2 3 4. Yeah, sorry about that. And once you log in, we got a sandbox account that I can use to purchase. Okay, so let's go back to the app. So right now, already inside the app, and you can upgrade to premium. Right now, if you click it, upgrade to premium. Yeah, so you got this account information coming out. Okay, and you got this. Just move it to another places. Okay, you got this premium features, simple thumbnail maker, rated. So it's like suitable for 4 years or something. And in-app purchase, you got this US dollars. So if you use different countries currency, you like change that for you. And one-time charge for testing purpose only. You will not be charged for confirm this purchase. An account, all that. Okay, so once you click purchase, you can just download it. But here's the catch: you can not purchase. You can just close this box. Okay, so you can test what will happen, whether your phone will handle it or not. If you close it, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. You can close it. So then you can down and go back. Still, the user's block out. That's good. And then you can upgrade. Okay, and then you can click purchase. So let me test. Click purchase. Purchase, and then you're required to enter the password. Okay, I believe the password is something like William JM. So cool. Just a repetition. 1 2 3 4 exclamation mark. So let's sign in. So you already purchased it, and then you're all set. Your purchase is successful. So why you need to wait a little bit? It's not completely offline. So you have to communicate with Apple server. Say, hey, this is Apple ID, and this Apple ID bought this. So you can click OK. Right now, you can test the UI here and the logic. Right now, it's already premium version. Okay? And remember, the restore purchase still there. Okay? You can sign in and you can restore. That's pretty good, in fact. So let's click down and click premium. Yeah, the block, the promo page just disappeared, and you can actually use it. Then you can test the device Okay, you can enter the overlay text. Okay, you can do some text. It's a big line. Okay, just some auto completion. The only thing that matters, okay, something like that. Obviously, too much. So text we can make it smaller, make it somewhere here, down below, center, something like that. And of course, you can use the batch generation, add a profile, change the aspect ratio, all that, and everything looks pretty good. Okay, the only something like that, pretty good. And of course, you can switch different, and you can test. Okay, so that means it's successful, but also we need to test whether the restore purchase functionality works. Okay, so we can test it right now, but since you already got this premium version, you have to consider that. Okay, sometimes user may do that. If there is a button, user will click it, right? So I'm going to do that again. William JM, so cool. And see 1, 2, 3, 4 exclamation mark. Okay, I click it. I restore that. Okay, everything is unchanged because I already got this premium version. On the hindsight, it would be better to give a user some sort of a hint that you already a premium version, so you don't need to restore that, something like that. But it's good to know that nothing wrong actually going on. So I think that's enough for this video. Okay, don't forget to give the video a thumb up, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.